This is our original full support demiette in one of our older patterns from last year. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits band sizes 26 or 28 through 52, 54, somewhere around there. It works best on B cups through, all the way probably to P cup. But A and double A cups will do great in this one with petals. As you can see, it's got a nice deep scoop neckline. And then the straps are padded, which makes it just super comfortable on the shoulders. This is the back of the original full support demiette. As you can see, there's an adjustment there in those padded straps. Not quite as long as some of the other full support camis and demis, but you still have a good amount of adjustment there. Keep in mind this does not have a convertible strap, so it stays right there. And then a nice scoop across the back top. This is the inside of the front of the original demiette. As you can see, that nice deep scoop neckline, molded cups for slightly larger cup sizes starting at B and going all the way up to P cup. If you look closely, you can see the added shaping panel that goes across the whole front, giving that excellent support and lift without any underwires. And then of course, our patented surgical grade silicone gripper that keeps it in place around your band. This is the inside of the back of the original full support demiette. As you can see, that nice simple scoop across the top, and then the added shaping panel all the way across the back that really gives excellent support and helps distribute the weight of that bust line.